There will be a collective sigh of relief after our next story, as numerous viewers wanted to know the status of a St. Anne senior who, up to hours before Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica, was insistent on staying home alone. That update now from Curlin Brown, thanks to the Sergeant of Police, with whom the story began.
While tracking Melissa on the streets of Oteria, St. Anne, a police siren became a point of interest, which led the crew to the community of Harrisontown in the parish. We caught up with a team led by Sergeant Christopher Ward, who was on a mission to reach a senior living alone atop a hill. The neighbours on the flat, including an 8-year-old girl who says she often goes to visit, were very concerned. Naturally, we took the climb with the officers, unprepared for what we were about to see.
You must have seen several storms already, don't you? Oh my God. Well, we hear that you need some help for this one, though.
Yes, there's water all over, Miss Idell. You can't come off the bed. Miss I, right. So, oh my God. So, are you willing to go with the officers? You don't want to leave the place? But
I'm all right here because it makes sense to me because I'm doing everything in one place.
Ms. Ivell Sims was determined to ride out the storm with her chicken and a dog hiding under the bed. There was water everywhere as the containers strategically placed were overflowing. The officers responding, preserving the scene at least for the time being.
The fact that we realize the situation, definitely, I will make it all priority at OTS police station to check in, weigh in on her. Whatever we can do, if we have to, relocate by force.
Thankfully, she was hustled out in time before Melissa struck and placed in the comfort and care of a relative. However, even when Sergeant Ward visited after Melissa with care packages and prayer, Miss Sims was still unsettled in her heart.
The dog that was there underneath the bed, we see the dog, you know? The dog is still there. We never see the fowl.
You see the chicken?
No, we never see the chicken this time.
What's that there?
I don't know if it's inside the house.
Okay.
Yes, but we saw the dog. The dog is still there, active. We had a difficult time in going to the back. He was barking, yes?
I tell the grandson to tell his grandfather to come and find me, and then he can get to go up at the house and see home.
So you want to go back to the house?
What?
Curlin Brown, CVM News.